Welcome to Z Royal Couture. Here, elegance walks with confidence. Our designs are made to empower you. Let's find something perfect for you. This gown is everything. I know, right? We look so elegant. Elegance with confidence. Exactly. Z Royal is the best. This view is incredible. It's perfect, just like you. Elegance walks with confidence. Z Royal Couture. This feels like a dream. I know, these dresses are perfect. Z Royal Couture really nailed it. Elegance with confidence, for sure. These gowns are stunning. Absolutely, pure elegance. Let's own this haul. Confidence is our accessory. You look absolutely stunning. Thank you. And you, this color is perfect on you. I'm so glad we chose these. Me too. We look incredible together. This gown is perfection. You look stunning. Z Royal never disappoints. Feel the confidence. Elegance walks with us. These are so good. I know, right? Let's get more. Yes, please. This place is incredible, isn't it? It's magical. I feel so confident. You look absolutely stunning. Thank you. You too. Let's go.